In this video, we're going to cover how to view your mocap data from Access Studio Live in Maya. As of this video, our plugin only supports single character real-time data playback. To locate our Maya plugin, go to our website and navigate to the Downloads page under the Supports tab. Download and install the plugin. Let's open Maya and load the plugin. In the toolbar, navigate to Windows, Settings and Preferences, and then Plugin Manager. We're going to search for Neuron Perception Robo.mll and enable Loaded and Auto-Loaded so that the plugin loads on every startup. Close the window and locate the Mocap plugin under the Neuron toolbar window. Great, so now our plugin is now running. Before we receive the data, we must broadcast our data from Access Studio. So let's get started. Open Access Studio, we're going to select the sample project, open a recorded data or connect your Perception Neuron suite. Navigate to the main menu, then click on Settings. Select Advanced BVH Broadcasting so that we can send real-time data to Maya. Enable Capture Selection if you have a suite connected, or enable Edit Selection if you're using recorded data. In the skeleton selection, choose the Maya Mobile Human IK preset. Enable Displacement, and under the TCP options, we'll leave the local host information alone with the port number 7007. If you're playing recorded data, just make sure that you're playing it back on loop. Let's move into Maya. We're going to input Access Software's host IP and port number to receive the real-time data streaming from Access Software. Click Connect and then create skeleton. There will be a TPOS skeleton interview port window if your connection was established successfully. Click Characterize to characterize your skeleton. We'll rename the character definition. Next, let's import our model. For this video, we're going to be using a Mixamo character. Now we need to create a new character definition. We'll select our imported character's hip bone. Then we'll select an HIK preset skeleton definition. You may need to set up a definition manually if your character uses another naming convention. Let's rename the new character definition. Now make sure that our imported character is set as a target and our mocap data is set as source. Back in our plugin, click Start Live, and now your character will be driven by the Access Studio data. And that's it for this tutorial. See you next time.